Jan from Sheldon has questions about AC repair.
Yeah, Tom, she wants to know if a hard start kit is the right answer for her. She writes, the tech who performed the checkup on our 1-year-old Lennox AC compressor says today suggested that we get a hard start kit put on our 1-year-old system. By the way, we had hoped to have Absolute Comfort come, but they don't come as far out as we live. Yeah. And so we're using a different company. She wants to know, I guess, Tom, what is a hard start kit and why does she need it after a year?
I can go all the way back to the David Debian days with hard start kits, okay, from a company that used to be part of the show.
Right.
It keeps the compressor warm, so when it starts up easier. On a 1-year-old unit, there's no reason to have a hard start kit. On an old system like mine that are 22 years old, they probably can use a hard start kit. It's like you, Charlie. You're getting older, and having a hard start kit might help you. But no, I don't think she needs it unless there's something wrong with the unit. But the unit is so new, it probably does not need one.
So the hard start kit is actually kind of backward name because what it's doing is it's making it an easier start.
It really is. It actually keeps the compressor warm. And so when it heats up, it's not cold. I know. So you know, like at night when you try to keep someone warm, it's not.
I was actually thinking. I was thinking my snooze button would be my hard start kit. You know,
ooh.
I use it. I use it 2 or 3 times every day.
Right. Yes. I don't think she needs it on a new Lennox unit, but you know what? If they're having problems, it's not going to hurt it any. I just think it's probably a little bit of an upsell.
All right, there you go. You can get help from Tom anytime you want. Make sure you're getting the right thing done around your house. Don't spend money you don't have to, especially in these times. Just send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button, send it in, and we'll answer it just like that. And by the way, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell, and we'll let you know when we post new ones.